Hello everyone, today we are going to be draw a Lakshmi Ma. So for that in the middle I draw a straight line, or you can say a standing line. Then for the head I draw a circle. Then next I make two dots for the shoulder, and then we have to draw the hand. After that I draw here upper part of the Lakshmi Ma body, and then we have to draw the two legs of the Lakshmi Ma. So I am going to draw here hand. So for the hand we have to draw V. So for the hand we have to draw two V. Upper V will be short and lower V will be little big. Same as another side, I draw here another hand. Now I am going to draw here palm. So for that we have to erase the extra lines and look at the palm, how I draw it. Now I am going to draw the another hand which will be hold the lotus. Then we have to draw the bangles in the both hand. Bangles are almost done, and then we are going to be draw the detailing. For the detailing we have to draw the two lines in the hand, and then sari, the both side, upper side and lower side, both side will be two lines, and other lines also we have to draw. Don't miss any of these lines, every line is important for the sari. Now I am going to erase all the extra lines or structure line. Look at my drawing carefully, it will be helpful for you. So now I am going to be draw lotus. For the lotus I draw here a structure which will be help me to draw a perfect lotus. For that I draw here very light two lines, and then between these two lines I draw here all the petals carefully, which will be look perfect. Now I am going to draw the lower petals. It will be smaller than the upper one, so I did it. Next we have to draw the another lotus which is Lakshmi is holding. So I am doing here a small one. Very carefully you have to draw there. Now I am going to draw eyes. So for the two eyes we have to make two circles, both sides will be equal. Then I am doing here the whole eyes. Look at my drawing very carefully. And then eyebrows, then the hair. Next I am doing here the wrist part, nose and lips. Now I am going to draw here the crown. So for the crown we have to draw a curved line. Look at this very carefully. It's not a straight, little bit curved. After that we have to draw a reverse U. Then I am going to draw here the hair, both sides will be same look at my drawing. You have to draw their exact same curve. It will be look better and beautiful. Then I am going to draw here more detailing, so do it carefully one by one. Now I am add here a semicircle line, two semicircle line. After that I am doing here a petal kind of a pattern. It will be around the semicircle, and then for the more detailing I am doing here a oval, and same as another oval, little big, and then for more detailing I am adding here some lines. Look at my lines carefully. Every lines is very important, and then I am adding here some circles, and then once again some lines. Now I am erasing all the extra lines, and we have to draw the ear also. So for that I erase this, and now I am going to be draw bindi and lips also properly, and then we have to draw the ear both side and earrings also. So I did it, so you have to draw the same. Now I am going to draw the eyeball detailing. So here I am using a small circle in the middle and two lines for the details. So I am bordering here by the black marker, so you have to do it same. Take it any black sketch pen or marker, anything, but it must be thin. If you make it thin line, it will look more better. So every line you have to border very carefully one by one. Don't miss any of these lines. Oh sorry, I forgot to draw the jewelry of the Lakshmi Ma, so I am doing here a jewelry. Look at this and do it. Now I am bordering the rest part carefully. Every line, every details we have to border by the black marker. After the bordering we have to remove all the extra lines. I am doing that. You all have to do same thing. So it was today's drawing. I hope you like it. If you like my drawing, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel.